I'm gonna try to make this one short because I want to get back to the building before I freeze my nuts off. Yeah, it's just, I'm out in the open now, so the wind, I'm more exposed to the wind, and there is wind with this. I don't know, the wind didn't blow that over, it's pointed in the wrong direction. Someone either kicked that over or the stupid plow guy hit it. No, there's no tracks. I wouldn't be surprised though if the stupid plow guy did hit it. I do sometimes think that the people who attend the university are smarter than the people who run it. There's the horse barns over there. That's where I take a lot of my sunset shots, actually, in that direction. I have to go into the wind to get back to my building, and I can't shoot that, so, well, I'll point it to the side. What I'm hoping happens is that this storm just stalls and dumps like 3 feet of snow on us. That's not going to happen. Brent has a better chance of getting laid. And, yeah, 3 feet of snow. Yeah, that's going to happen. Brent has a better chance of getting laid, and Mississippi Hurricane has a better chance of getting busted by Chris Hansen. Wait a minute. That's not so far-fetched. Never mind. Yeah. So, I'm just walking it back toward the building now. Into the teeth of the wind. With a very poorly equipped jacket and nothing but a sleeveless shirt under it, and a very thin, well, I'm basically out here in my pajamas and a cheap jacket. Damn. Well, it's sideways now. Those idiots are still plowing. What a fucking waste. Wait until like a couple hours from now. Don't waste whole nights. Don't get me started. I don't understand what the hell they're doing. Like I said, the people who attend this university are smarter than the people that run it. I fucking mean it too. I mean it. I'm gonna go under this light pole here. I hear if you put your tongue on a light pole, it'll freeze. Unfortunately for the viewers, nobody's here to triple dog dare me to do it. That's swaying a little bit. My hand is not very steady, so it might be hard to tell. But I'm gonna wrap this up before I freeze to death.